All right, so this is Jenny Jones. I had no idea that the last half of the video did not record for tool 4 of 6. And so this is the reason why it's taken me a while to get 5 out, because I had to go back and re-record and just edit this last piece and then add it up. So shout out to Boz Smith 1118 for letting me know. No one even told me. I think I've had over close to 400, 300 and some odd views, and no one even told me the last part cut off. This was the most important part. So let me see if I can redo that for you. So what I did was here, let me see if I can do this. I think when I did it last time, well, actually, let me see if I can turn on my webcam here. And you're not going to see me in the film because I don't have a full mic, so I have to lean over. So maybe you can hear me from there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that I have no hands, right? So I'm putting up my hands. I'm going to let you see what the screen does. So let's see if it records. So what I wanted to show you and take you through was an actual project that I was working on. And so let's see if it records and let's see if it captures everything. And we'll try this again. All right. So what I did was I had a login bot. Is that the one I was doing it on? Testing bot, login bot. All right, so I think this is it. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, so I was working on a nested bot. I'm running into some situations here where I can't get it to connect and do the other stuff I wanted to do, but I wanted to let you know how easy and or simple it is to do your own bot. So I will press start, and I'll put my hands up, and I will see what happens. I think for some reason it just cut off, and I don't know if the screen is able to record, but I'm not on my PC as much, so I don't really know. So hopefully that works out. So let's take a look at it. So I'm gonna hit play here. All right, so it's ready to play. So I'm gonna put my hands here, and I'm gonna look at the camera. I'm gonna look and see if everything works out here. Okay, so it should go log in. Should log in, right? It should put in a password, and it's going to press sign in, right? It's going to do all that. Now it's going to come up, and it's going to load the screen for you. And again, you guys know how I feel about SMAT leads. I think it's very good for finding B2B leads for Google My Business and Bing leads and LinkedIn database search. But what I'm trying to do is, this is the bot actually performing this, and I want the bot to go ahead and find a search for me. So every morning I could run this, and then I can do some different things on the back end where I would have drop it into a spreadsheet, and then maybe even load it into a CRM, or just do all of that automatically. But I put a little timer on it. It's taking some time, and it goes in. I wanted to look up my Google My Business leads. So let's see what's happening here. I don't know if it recorded or not. This is really weird. Again, I'm not on my PC as much, so I'm not as familiar with some of the recording stuff that I'm using over here. And so then I thought that was weird. I don't know if this is gonna record. Hopefully it is. And again, shout out to Boz Smith 1118 as a member of my channel, and I appreciate it. I'm glad you're a member, because if you weren't a member, I'd be like, I'll get to when I can. But I think it's important that you see this particular piece. So I had additional, and so what I want to do is I want to go to the type drop down line, and I wanted to select the element. And what I wanted it to do was select the element of beauty salon, and then go ahead and go through the rest of the search. I'm getting hung up here. I gotta go and reach out. I just haven't had time to get back to it. But I need to go back and reach out, because I think I'm missing an element to go ahead and pick up the rest of the elements here. Here's what I will say. And I got a lot of people on my channel fighting me about, oh, it's not better than this tool. It's not better than that RPA tool. Listen, I'm just showing you the tool. If it works for you, it works for you. What I will say, and I've tried out all those other tools. I've tried out all of them. This is by far the most user-friendly and gives you the most information to help you put your own robots together. So that is what I am going to say, that because I've tried them all, and that's in my opinion. So again, you can do all those other ones, but this is by far the friendliest, and it give you the most help in learning and understanding how to become a bot. I'd say a bot aficionado. All right. So, hey, this has been Jenny Jones. Wanted to give you this other particular piece and just show the bot of Electroneek in its entirety of how I put the bot together. And I just went through here and I just connected. The thing about it and what I love about it is you can pick here what you want and you can just drag it. And the other ones are a little bit, you have to be more technical and understanding what it's doing. This right here basically tells you what it's doing. And what I will say is if you learn from this particular setup or the studio, it'll make building bots and other RPAs a lot easier, because here you kind of got some of the technical foundation and they're showing you, they're giving you the help. But to me, I think you can become a better bot builder by using this tool first. That's why I don't think you need a large tier. I just think you need a piece to get inside the elements to understand what they're doing. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. Thank you, Boss Smith 1118. Give you the shout out on that. Thank you for being a member of the channel. You guys have been great. You guys take care. Goodbye for now.